Alright, so what's up YouTube? Making another video. As you can probably see, it's raining, but it's a very beautiful day out nonetheless. So mostly just going to be showing you where I skate, and usually what I do when I go skate. I usually skate for like 2 hours, 3 hours a day, at least during the summer because I have a lot of time. Do some tricks, I practice my tricks, I skate around, you know. This is my board. It's my second board. Actually, this isn't like really my second board. It's my third board. One's coming in the mail. That one's really nice. That one's like a lot of money. So, can't wait for that one to come in. Alright, yeah, it's getting really wet out, but I don't really care. I'm gonna fully commit to this video and finish it. It's really nice out anyway. Definitely gonna take a shower though when I get back. I almost got hit by a car and almost got my board broken by it. That would have been my second board that would have got ran over, so that would have really sucked, and I just got this one. So I probably would have cried, which would have been really sad. But gladly, it didn't happen. So we're gonna go skateboard some more. And yeah, that's what's happening.